Knights of the Realm! Huzzah! Again!
Well, hello.
Well, Captain Micro, I never thought I'd see you again.
One thing you forgot about me, I'm indestructible.
Too bad I can just hide you back in this junk trash heap.
You can do whatever you want to me, but someday I'll find you again. When you're not looking, you're going to want a hot pocket. Or maybe some cheesy frozen burrito.
Where are you going this, Captain Micro?
I'm gonna ask, where will you go then?
Your microwave beams are affecting my speech.
I have more power than you can possibly imagine.
My nemesis is in the palm of my hand. How could you possibly have more power than I can possibly imagine? So you're doing it again.
Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
You doing talking to microwave?
Dude, remember Captain Micro?
No.
When we dormed together? Dude,
Oh!
I dumped him
Captain
out.
Micro.
Yeah,
Of course, how's he doing?
pretty good.
Micro, what's up? You never talk to me. Whatever, Micro. So, okay, ask him how he's doing then.
Turn around. Must know how everything's going.
Tell that douchebag I really don't care.
What he said.
Dude, remember when you tried to put cheese nips in the macaroni? And you
Yeah.
put it in him?
And you left the fork in?
Dude, he's pissed at you.
Micro. Honest mistake. Forks don't melt usually. They're just so strong and powerful, Captain Micro.
Well, you're right.
See, there's no reason for us to fight. We could be friends. We could rule the world together. Me and my Micro.
You see my power?
But I saved you from the trash.
I told you someone would find me. I don't need you anymore.
Michael, I'm gonna get going.
Wait. I have some cheese nips
Wait,
and some of your favorite macaroni.
wait, what are you doing? No, stop!
Uh-oh. And the fork.
Don't listen to him!
Oh.
I can give you anything you want!
Don't you just want to put it straight in?
I can give you...
You want to bake 'em? I'm sorry, Captain Micro.
No,
30 seconds and you're toast.
Bang! Think it's ready?